after creating the admins table information, that means after creating an admin here, what is the next step? So the next step is I am going to create an email setup here. Okay, so in order to send email, I am going to use a mailer function and I am going to use all the system. But you know how to send email, because in the email sending lecture I have shown you everything. So just go back to the email sending lecture and you will understand everything here. So in order to send email, what is my next step? I am going to write php artisan, so artisan command, and another one is make mail, and for example I am going to use the website mail. Enter. So if I write this, you will see that a mail folder comes here with the website mail. So here I will have to set up something in order to send my email. So every email have normally a subject and body, right? So here in after the use, I am going to write here, that is, for example, I am going to call public subject and body, two variable. So these two variable I call here public subject body. Then you see there is a constructor here. So here I am going to call the subject and body as a parameter, and into inside the constructor this will be this subject equal to subject and this body equal to body. And now I have to go to the envelope. Instead of subject, as I have this subject in my hand, so here I am going to write this subject, and there is a content, and instead of this view I have a view. I will create a view that will be, for example, email. Okay, so I call here just email, and for that view I am going to resources, my views, and here I will just create email.blade.php file, and here I am just going to use this one. So here I can just use the body. This is perfect. Okay, that's good. So I am going to close it. So my email setup task is actually done. Now you can send email very easily, and in the case of admin, when I will use the reset password, then this thing will help me to complete my task.